All right. So you're just cutting some vegetables.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna put this in here.
You're gonna blend up the tomato,
and the
garlic,
and I'm gonna put a teaspoon of cumin. You have pepper?
Of course.
Okay, put about half a teaspoon. Okay. And you go ahead on a little bit of water.
Water?
Just a
hold on. Oh, I already yeah. Don't worry. Yeah, just a little bit. Just enough to get it wet. Stand by, Patches. Yeah. So this is the soup mix for Foodorama that we're utilizing. So
I just removed the fatty stuff from this one. Okay? And just cut it like this.
okay.
Two of those.
Alright. So just a little oil. Crank it up to medium, I guess. Alright.
This one is my favorite one. This is leading them on. Whiskey is the gasoline that lights the fire that burns the tree. I create the water.
This is what I'm doing, just grinding it right now. Alright, Mom, you chopping up the celery, the onion,
The corn I'm gonna just
oh man, be careful, Mom. What is this?
chayote.
A chayote.
Like kind of
Good? Yeah. Okay. It's like a squash.
Like
Cutting the carrots.
Yeah. Not too small, I like to bite.
Okay, little bottle caps.
Yeah. Lubricant. Yeah. 1 jalapeno pepper.
1 jalapeno pepper.
It's for flavor.
Alright. Taste. This?
No, it's
Then you're following it up with the tomatoes, probably.
tomato mix.
The tomato mix with the garlic, pepper, cumin, and tomatoes. So,
You can start cubes right now.
alright.
To start getting that flavor and salt. Just drop them in there.
Alright. Got the second one.
Yeah. And then just let it just
You want me to move it around a little?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll stir it up a little. Sorry. Okay. It can be a regular potato too, that's why you bought the regular ones?
yeah.
Alright. And then the water. How much water?
I don't know, it's gonna have to.
Oh yeah. And the way you test it, you squeeze the carrot. Still pretty tough. Pretty good.
Let me add on the extra stuff.
Alright, so now we're adding on the in. Oh right, you want to make sure the carrot is not soft before you add those things.
No, they can be a little bit soft. Because we're gonna cook it for another 15 minutes.
Okay. Alright.
And the cabbage almost dissolves.
Oh right,
Yeah,
it gets so
you have to
thin.
kinda cut it up in little chunks like that. 30 minutes.
Oh, look at that. That's what's done. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
For doing it. Look at Mom. Look, finish the video, Mom. See? Yeah, cool.